Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can apply for UMID ID in the Philippines if you are SSS member. So here are 5 steps. First is to go to an SSS branch with a UMID enrollment facility. So not all SSS branches accommodate UMID applications. So before you apply, check the list of branches first that can process UMID enrollment. So you can use the Ctrl F command to find the branch nearest you. So once you get to the SSS office, you will fall in line or get a queue number, and then you just have to wait for your turn or for your number to be flashed on the screen. So just an update, as of October 2021, you can apply for UMID card as at the SSS branch in 2 ways. So here are the two ways. So online appointment system, this is online applications. If you already have my SSS account, you can schedule an appointment with your preferred or the nearest SSS branch. So this way, you can quickly get a queue number and choose a date or time that is most convenient for you. So to secure a new UMID ID online appointment with the SSS, you just have to follow these steps. So first, go to the official SSS website and select the member portal. So you will see this, so you just have to click on this one. Step number 2 is to log in using your user ID and password. So go ahead and fill in the information. And then once you're in, hover over to member info on the main menu and click appointment system. So go ahead and click here and then tap on this appointment system. Step number 4 is select the purpose of your appointment. So go ahead and click on UMID card application, just like this one. Step number 5 is to select your region. So preferred SSS servicing branch and appointment date. And you just have to take note that the red dates are unavailable while those marked green are still available, which is the remaining slots left. So go ahead and pick and then select your preferred schedule and the available counter number to process your application. Also, enter your specific concerns in the box provided. So, like for example, new UMID application, replacement of lost UMID card, just like that. So, print or take a screenshot of your transaction details as shown on the screen, and you will also receive an email notification containing the exact transaction details. So that's pretty much it. That is the most easiest and fastest way on how you can get UMID ID in the Philippines. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!